Hi, and welcome to another NannyLogic course setup tutorial. Today we're taking you through the fifth step in the course setup, which is all about document uploads, custom contracts, and e-signing. This feature allows you to send and receive signed documents without leaving NannyLogic and uploads the received documents into the client or candidate's profile automatically. So you can have everything organized, safely stored, and easy to access. So let's begin. As always, let's start from the dashboard and navigate to the left-hand side. Over here, we'll go to Documents, which will have a drop-down menu. In the Documents drop-down menu, we have Library and Resources. Library is where all of your documents, photos, and even resumes are all uploaded into NannyLogic. So this could be even the CPRs and so forth. Then we've got Resources. That's where we create and upload the document. So let's go into it. Okay, so in the main page of Resources, you can select Add Resource right over here to upload your own PDFs. So let's click on it, give it a name, a description if you'd like, and then you can either upload it right by clicking here, or you can drag and drop the document and add it. If you're not using an uploaded document, you may also add your resource URL. Now, if you want to create your own custom contract, we'll go ahead and add template. Over here, we'll give it a name just like before and a description if you'd like. And then we'll start writing out the text in the body field. So you can either write it, type it out right over here using these font and text tools. Or you can copy paste from like a previous document that you may already have. Once you copy paste your document or write it out, you can start then using the drag and drop values on the right hand side menu. So these are the values that will turn this document into a customizable document. It will allow for the user, so your clients or candidates, to add this specific information. So for example, initials box, type name box, signature box, where they'll just sign with their finger if they're on the phone, or with their mouse if they're on the computer. If you add the date stamp value, it will date stamp the date that they open the document, which means it's the date that they've signed the document. And then you can also use the fill in the blank. The fill in the blank is kind of like a general value that you can add anything to it. So this will just be like a blank field for your candidates or clients to add the information that you are telling them to. So then once you do this, all you have to do is click add, and it will add the document to this list over here. So you can choose for any document to be auto-attached on the client or candidate side, or even both at the same time right here on this side. So this is a great way for your users to have like access at all times to this information. So for example, let's say you would like to share some interview tips for your candidates, right? To always have access to it. You can upload your PDF into here by adding the resource. Then you can just go ahead and select candidate. So tick the box in the candidate profile. And once they open their portal, it will always be there for them to view. So you can always tell them, hey, check out the tips that we've uploaded to your profile. These are very helpful for your interviews. And it will always be there. And it's just like such a quick way for candidates or clients to access whatever information you want to provide. Okay, so we're ready for the next step. If you'd like to send a document to be e-signed, such as like terms and conditions or agency client agreement, background check consent forms, whatever you would like to send, then e-signing is your best buddy. So again, let's use our main left-hand side menu to access the e-sign tab under company. So let's go over here under company, drop down, and let's select e-sign. So you're now on the e-sign page where you can not only send documents to be legally signed, but you can also track their progress in the sent document table right over here. So when a document is sent using this feature, you can check the sent date, the open date, and the sign date. When a document is signed, this green icon right over here will appear immediately to inform you of its status. So you can always check to see whether or not the document is there. You click on the candidate's name and it will take you right into their profile where you'll see the uploaded agreement. So over here we can see that it's been signed under their contact information right here up front, and you'll also notice that the document over here, template number 2, which was the one I sent, has been signed and you can view it. Look at that. And that is how it looks. Well, this one looks extremely simple because we literally have no information here. It's not a real document, but a real document will have like, you know, obviously a long text, and then it will have the signatures over here, and it will have all this information. Okay. So now back to e-sign. So to send a document, let's go back up here. You can either choose a file to, you know, from your computer files and upload it, or you can select a document from your resources, which we learned already how to create and upload from the resources tab under documents. So over here, I'm going to select template number 2, and then I'm going to search for either the client or the applicant. So I'll go into, oh, not support, but maybe myself. Can go over here, and then I can choose to create a to-do list in a portal, which is kind of like a notification. It's kind of like an alert system that allows you to notify the client or the candidate that they've got this one thing they've got to do. So it will be in their dashboard once they log in, or you don't have to. This will send them an email either way, so you can just select send. And that's it. It sends out the document. It adds the sent document right to your list, the date sent, everything. Now we know that it hasn't been opened and obviously hasn't been signed. So now the client or the candidate has received this email. They have the document ready to be signed. And once they sign it, you'll receive all the information right over here. And also you will receive an email notification letting you know that you have a document that's been signed and uploaded into the profile. Okay, great. That's it. It's simple, efficient, and keeps your business documents secure in one place. Since our system is cloud-based and we run daily backups, your documents are safe with us. So go ahead and try adding and creating your own documents. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Our support email is support@nannylogic.com. So hit us up if you have any questions. And then on our next video, the 6th and last core setup video, we'll be quickly talking about data migration and what the NannyLogic team can do to help you come on board without running the risk to lose your previous data. So thanks for tagging along, and see you next time.